Voice Vision, project of Vasudev Bhuvna Memorial Trust in association with SIMSA presents Entrepreneurial Idea Award 2019.
वेलकम अबोर्ड और होप आप लोगों को हमारे आइडियाज पसंद आए और उसमें आप बिजनेस शुरू करते तक का हैंड होल्ड कर पाए. सो विद दैट लेट्स स्टार्ट. थैंक यू.
Each participant is presenting their idea and they got 5 minutes to pitch and convince investors or seed funders. Jury and audience comprising of mentors, investors, students, various Lions Club representatives. Voice Vision and SIMSA teams are listening the pitches carefully. Third place was awarded to Mr. Vijay Kumar Kasival for his idea, Swim Buddy. Second place was awarded to Ms. Deepthi Kale. Her existing idea was to scale up her beauty parlor. First place was awarded to Mr. Prathamesh Bendre for his idea of Shayar Dost, a concept of personalized gifts based around poems, songs and letters.
बना कि 13 पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए हमारे पास 11 मेंटोर मिले. 11 मेंटोर जिसमें से 2 मेंटोर ने 2-2 ग्रुप्स लिए, इसलिए 11 पे अटक गए. हमने शायद 13 भी मिल जाते. और इतने अच्छे से मतलब हमारे एक इन्वेस्टर ने तो ये कहा कि आप लोग अन्नदाता हो हमारे. यू हैव टैलेंट. आई कोट अंशुल देरवे, इज नॉट हियर, बट ये उनका ही सेंटेंस है कि आप हमारे अन्नदाता हो, आपके पास टैलेंट है, हम तो सिर्फ पैसा लगा रहे हैं.
Entrepreneurs and Susmita ji, brilliant. I cannot say, I don't have words to say more. I was very excited. I think all the ideas are brilliant, and the more challenging the idea, the more unusual the idea, the more entrepreneurial it is, I think, and I think that's the fun of it really. So well done guys, on a great.
मैं लायंस क्लब से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट ओनर हूँ और मुझे बहुत बार अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है डिफरेंटली एबल लोगों के साथ काम करने के लिए. हम लोग उनको कुछ न कुछ उनकी फैसिलिटी में हेल्प करते रहते हैं. यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ नई चीज़ें सीखने को मिली. डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट वॉइस विजन for organizing this, and my compliments to Archana Patodia for taking up this issue. एक नया एरिया जो मुझे समझ में आया कि इन लोगों के लिए जॉब कैसे क्रिएट की जाए, वो बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है.
So I run a platform called Ideas, it's a platform for ideas and solutions, and it is one of those dumbstruck moments when I suddenly realized that how do we engage with people who are differently able? Are we genuinely in a position to empathize and think from their perspective? And honestly, I don't think I was, and I am not. And somewhere I'd like to be on this journey. Not sure if we can add value. It's just that they're different. We are all different. And it's about a journey of empathy. Alright, so thank you so much. and I'm looking forward to joining with Shahid, my buddy.
I think this cause is fantastic. Being an entrepreneur myself, it's quite a difficult journey. You know, it's like staring down the mouth of a shark. And what Voice Vision does is really, I think, empower people to get good mentors and fantastic mentors around, so that it's a little more of an easier journey. And I think what Ms. Bhuvna is doing is unbelievable, and the cause is fantastic, and I would love to help out more. Yes.
Thank you so very much. पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने कितना इनका सिर खाया होगा वो मुझे नहीं पता, इन्होंने कितनी सैलिडॉन खाई होगी वो भी नहीं पता. How was the experience?
It was really wonderful. Nice, very nice.
Mentors, judges and organizers interacting. Mentors posing for a photograph with his entire team.
In association with various clubs of the Lions International Club District 3231A3, Melange, Enactus, Somaya Social Cell, Choice International Limited, The Bike Hospitality, Samang Consumer Products, Rasna International, Jams, SNS, Speed Networking Sutra, Newshook, Rotaract Club of Northern Suburbs, Rotaract Club of Mumbai Sky City, along with 16 plus districts and 30 plus Rotaract clubs across Asia. Contact us at website www.voicevision.in, Facebook facebook.com/voicevision.in, Instagram voice.vision, Twitter @voicevision_in, YouTube Voice Vision, telephone 022 4040 0000, mobile 98205 66010. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.